Halloween time. I wait all year to get to the stage where you can do whatever you like. Now somebody gave me this and it is the spookiest, most disgusting face I have ever seen. I don't know whether the person who gave me this liked me or disliked me. It was going out until I thought, you'll be great for my Halloween display at my front door this year, because no kid will want to see this. It's so horrible. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to do a design using said ugly head. I've got these beautiful black roses that I've made out of sort of some, I don't know what kind of fabric it was, but easy. Just have a look further through the segments. There'll be one there on how to make the roses. I've got some blackberries or some raspberries, which are just such beautiful forms that'll be beautiful connect into what I'm doing today. I've got just a little bit of gum here, and from Prestige Botanicals, hello, look at that beautiful blood red vampire dahlia. It's going to be perfect for what I'm going to do today. Plus, oh, look at the size of that blood red claret merlot, big hydrangea, which is going to be fabulous. So I've got two of those. And I'm just into feathers at the moment. I thought that these would be beautiful to use in this design. Okay, to begin, I have the shallow dish, which is actually just a terracotta dish. And what I've done with that is I've put a rust effect paint finish over it, because I wanted something that was rusty and sort of rough and perfect for this design. Into that, because I don't want to fill it the whole thing, because it's quite a deep cavity, I'm just going to use one of these plastic plant saucers. It's waterproof and it's going to be perfect for what I want to do today. You could take the label off if you wanted to, but it won't come off, so I'm leaving it there. So that gives me a nice flat surface. Said horrible head can go into there. Ooh, yeah, this is perfect. And then I have got some foam here, which I've soaked, and I'm just going to put a piece in there, and I'll bring another piece over and into there and just push that down. It's a little bit too much foam. You could get away with less than that, but for what I'm doing today, it will be perfect. Now, give me one moment, because I forgot to get the magnolia and the gum that I want to put into this. I'll be back in 1 second. I'm back. I wanted this because I love the colour of the grey, which is going to be perfect to come up through into my man's head. I've also got this here. I love magnolia. Magnolia is probably one of the best forms to use at this time of the year. It's big and it's strong and it's bulky and it covers a multitude of sins, because it just fills and covers. And also with the magnolia, I really love the colourway, which is going to reflect beautifully back through to my base here. So with this, it's just a matter of shoving this in and around. We just need a good base. If it's too tall, just cut it on the slant in there, so that you've got two. Put one in and then one on top of that. Just really push it in and rough and ready. Or don't worry about being neat and tidy, because we want something that's sort of like, well, this isn't really beautiful, is it? So it doesn't matter, just shove it in. I'll bring a piece up and into there, and I've got one more piece which I'm just going to bring up and over into there. Now, with the gum, just cutting lots of little bits here. Whoops, my glasses just about went to the floor, just cutting all of these little bits off. And if they've got any little sort of bits that have got gnarly bits in it, don't worry about those bits, because it's just going to add to the textural qualities of our design. Oopsie daisy, a little bit rough there, sorry about that. That can go into there. Bring another piece into there. Oops. Oh, what were you doing on one side? We're just doing on the other side. Just get these forms in as quickly as possible. Put a few around this side here. This actually, Halloween has got to be my most preferred time of the year, because you can just throw away all those rules and principles, and you can just pretty much just throw whatever you like at it, really. Covering in there, a little bit into there, and then another bit into there, and I'll just get rid of that right now out of the road. Okay, with my big roses, I could cut those, but it took me so much time to make them. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to bend it up like so. And I need to tell you that once you cut, you never can go back. And I might want to use those for another design. Okay, that can just go down and into there. And then this one can go up and over to there. Ooh, it's reminding me of the Addams Family Values 1 and 2. Now I need to move it around because I want to get these into it. Now with these are from Prestige Botanicals. What is lovely about these is if you get into there, oh, it's not going to do it. Oh, phew. So instead of cutting, just take the head off and then you can reuse them. Cool, that was a bit difficult. Finally. So let me just show you what I'm doing here. So so the man's head is just coming up out of those beautiful, and the blood of the hydrangeas is just such a lovely look. Now I'm going to bring these up and into here, and I'll just bend that because I don't want to cut it, because I might want to do something else with that. And then we'll bring the other one in across to there. Oh, that man's looking much better. So we're just putting those into there like so. Now with my feather, oh, I just love that feather. It looks like it's growing out of him. I thought that was quite nice. And then with these, I could cut, but I don't want to cut. I'm just going to bend that up and into there. Oh, that's perfect. That can go into there. Oops, label, come off there. That can come off to there. And then I just feel like having that up into the, oops, that's not quite going where I wanted it to go. But just having something high there just gives me the illusion that it's growing out of a grave. I hope you've enjoyed that. Happy Halloween, and I will see you again another day.